Trying to mess with this plasma cutter, and I've been having a hell of a time, man, I tell you. So used the wrong plasma cutter, burnt some shit up, learned my lesson, bought the parts, bought the machine, can't get it to work, end up smoking this motion board. There's big, I don't know if you can see it, big brown line there. It's all screwed up. So I got it. It took me like 10 minutes to throw it in real quick the other day. I was watching the baby, so I can't really spend a lot of time out here. I only get the weekends. Every time I plug in the torch on cable, boom, plasma cutter comes on. And then the air never shuts off. So got that installed. So today, finally, we're gonna run this fucking thing. And I'm gonna cut something out. So let's get on it. Went ahead and uploaded this LS3 manifold that Tyler Anderson designed, and we're gonna test that out here on this plasma. because I downloaded this cut ready, however the program was, so it's set for 100%. What I was doing was I was just turning down the feed rate. You can see down here where it says program 70. I actually had this down to where it was about 45 on that last one. So program speed is 45. That turned down the feed rate. When you download, you should put in what you need, and it will save the program. You can't just change the program by itself. But this just kind of does a manual override to help you. I tried doing the Pierce delay, and it messed up that cut. That was the one that just did the diagonal, and then I messed up and I pushed 0, and when I went to work 0, it just drug it across because it didn't shut off. Still learning that. So first cuts. Good news is it works. Bad news is I need a hell of a lot of practice. So I'm just excited that I was able to finally use it, because I've had it for I think a month now, and I tried using that one plasma cutter I thought would be okay. It wasn't compatible. It said on their website it wasn't compatible. I didn't listen. Well, I torched my own ass on that one. So make sure you're using compatible plasma cutters to save you the headache. And, you know, I got this from Austin. He was using it. He has the same plasma cutter I have now. I have the same plasma cutter he has now. So I know the machine worked. So when I contacted Langmuir and all that, they're like, well, how do you know you didn't use or get a bad machine or whatever? So I watch it every week. I watch him run it every week on YouTube. So anyway, thanks for watching this one. If you got any tips, whatever, drop a comment. I'm going to post Austin's link in the description, as well as the two individuals that designed that program. Because it's fireshare, I have to make sure that I give them credit. So that's how I'm going to give them credit, is not only saying their name on the video, which I think Tyler was one of them. I didn't say the other guy's name, so I'll make sure I put it in the description. Make sure you check those guys out, and make sure you check Austin out. And we're in a competition with Austin for who has the most subs at the end of the year. So loser buys dinner. So bad news is one of us is going to have to buy dinner. Good news is we're all going to eat dinner. So catch you guys on the next one.